As an engineer, I spend over half of my time researching and managing component information. For example, once I capture the circuit design, then I have to identify the physical components to be purchased, find the supplier, shop for the best price and availability, and keep track of all this data as the design progresses. This administrative effort could be used for actually designing. Inside SOLIDWORKS PCB, let's see how Supplier Link allows me not just to search, but also link real-time supplier data, ensuring proper component selection, and ultimately giving me half of my workday back. In our project, the power to the board comes from the USB. Due to space limitations, I need to use a micro USB. In the schematic library or the schematic editor, I can access Supplier Link with a simple right-click on a component. A list of all suppliers is integrated as part of the design data management. This allows you to access and search suppliers' databases directly, which saves you a ton of time. When searching for components, sometimes you need to go beyond supplier and manufacturer. Design aspects such as spacing, aesthetics, and layout may determine what kind of item you need. Right-click on any of the column headers to open a drop-down menu of additional options. Detailed information about that supplier item is displayed, including price, materials, packaging, and more. When provided by the supplier, you can also view documentation, such as data sheets and drawings, allowing you to easily find the preferred and alternate component that meets your requirements. A generic USB connector is now specific, without external searching or needing to reach out to suppliers for pricing and availability. This is all done inside SOLIDWORKS PCB in a matter of seconds. Okay, so I found the micro USB connector that meets my requirements. An active link is created between the schematic component and the supplier item. What's great is every component in my design can be linked directly to the supplier for sourcing. Now these parameters automatically fill in the bill of materials, ensuring my design can be sourced cost-effectively and on time. So you've seen how Supplier Link makes it easier for engineers to find the right components. You've also seen how linking components to suppliers ensures components can be sourced effectively. Here's the thing. In this example, we looked at administrative time savings in linking one component for one project. Imagine the efficiencies you and your team gain as you build your library of components, all linked to preferred suppliers' data. So the more you use Supplier Link and SOLIDWORKS PCB, the more confidence you have in your component choices.